Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable biometric authentication on TokenPocket. First of all, launch open the TokenPocket application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're in, go to the bottom right and tap on the Me button. After you're inside the Me icon, tap on Settings. After you're inside the Me button, tap on Security. Under Security, tap on Wallet Password. Now, enable the button right next to Face ID payment. Enter your wallet password to enable the authentication, and once you do that, click the Allow button in the pop-up. This will scan your Face ID or biometrics, and you'll be able to enable Face ID or biometrics in TokenPocket. Now the biometric authentication is active. Biometric lock is convenient, but your recovery phrase is the real key. Never share it with anyone and keep it offline. So that's how you enable biometric authentication on TokenPocket. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.